Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I am going to make this kind of bow for your kids frock. So let's get started. Here I have taken 3 pieces of fabrics with a length 11 inch and width 6 inch, and its length is 18 inch and width 4 inch, and also its length is 3 and width 2 inch. You can adjust these measurements according to your choice. Now I will fold this fabric by center fold right side together like this. Then I will give a stitch here, just leaving around 1 inch gap at the center. Here my stitch is done. Now you can see the gap at the center. Now bring this stitch to the center and give stitch along these sides with a 1/4 inch of seam allowance. Here my stitch is done. Now I am going to take out the inside part like this. Take out the corners of the fabric properly. You can use a screwdriver to shape the corners like this. Okay, now it's done. Now I will make the gathers of the bow just like this. And just secure it with the same color of thread. Now it will look something like this. Now take this piece of fabric with the length 18 inch and just fold this fabric right side together and sew the edges, just leaving around 1 inch of gap at the center. Now cut the extra fabric. Here stitch is done. Now turn the fabric out like this. Take out the corners of the fabric properly. Now take this piece of fabric with length 3 inch and just fold the fabric like this. Like this, just 4 folded like this and sew it. Now take the tie and place it under the bow like this. You can see this, and make a hand stitch here. Now here you can see I'm giving the stitch. Here my stitch is done. Now take this piece of fabric and just wrap it around like this. You can see, just wrap it around like this. and from the back side give a hand stitch. Just sew it like this. Now it's done. Here the cute bow is ready now. You can attach it to your kid's frock and it will give an elegant look to your frocks. Thank you for watching my video. See you again friends. Bye.